Hello, welcome to the PinCity demonstration of the Data Provenance tool. In this tool, we showcase how to watermark your personal data to verify data ownership for use cases where you, the data owner, want to monetize, share, or simply spread your data among colleagues. Several companies, as Comscore, value web browsing data very highly. So now it's time for you to watermark your datasets and try to monetize them further on. Remember, this tool just will verify data ownership. If you want to further trade your data, you can use other PinCity components. Thank you. Without further ado, let's go to the online demonstrator. Here's the online demonstrator of PinCity Data Provenance. For instance, in this demonstrator, we can upload a dataset to IPFS. Let's say we select a file, 7 URLs, and we get a hash of such file. If we want to see the content, we can use the get endpoint and retrieve the content. Here's our file. That's correct. Now, we want to watermark that file to verify and retain our data ownership in the future. If someone else sees our file or buys our file. What we have to do now is using that same hash ID, go to a new endpoint we have here, post, to send the IPFS hash and watermark the contents, thanks to the DP module feature. Try it out. Execute the query. And note, we obtain a new hash. The original file name is first hash we entered, naturally. So this new hash will help us to verify together with two other parameters. We'll see in the watermarking endpoints that the dataset belongs to ourselves. We enter the hash. We enter the private key. Note, we do not record private keys for the time being and do it to privacy reasons. For the moment, you have to provide us with the private key, or else we will generate one for you on the fly while you generate the watermark. Then, for verification here, you must use the same key, naturally. If our file has 7 URLs and we want to check 7 out of 7 are correct and belong to us, namely they are watermarked using our private key, we set alpha threshold to 7. We could set it to less or equal than 7, naturally, and the expected result shall be true. More than 7 wouldn't work in this case. Let's see what happens. Execute. Response body is true. Naturally, that's correct. The dataset belongs to us. In this manner, we have demonstrated the data provenance tool by watermarking a file, verifying the file indeed belongs to that data owner, and if we wish to, downloading the file from the Swagger API tool itself. Thank you.